This natural remedy combines ingredients with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. After these properties are absorbed in the body, they help protect and improve eye health. It's an ancient medicinal recipe that has become famous all over the world and has survived until today because of its many benefits. To prepare this aloe vera remedy to take care of your eye health, you just have to make sure you get the best quality ingredients. When you buy the organic versions of these products, you'll be making sure that they have a high concentration of nutrients and healthy properties. In addition, this remedy is also a good support for the functioning of your immune and digestive systems when included in your diet. Ingredients: half cup aloe vera 100 grams, half cup crushed walnuts 50 grams, 1 tablespoon of honey 25 grams, the juice of 2 lemons. Method: first cut the aloe vera leaves open. After this, remove the gel contained inside with the help of a spoon or kitchen utensil. After obtaining the indicated amount of gel, put it in a pot with a little water. Then, let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. When this time has passed, drain the excess water and put the gel in the refrigerator. After 10 or 12 hours, put it in a blender with the other ingredients. Blend everything until you get a creamy smoothie. Once it's ready, distribute the drink into 3 portions so you can consume it 3 times a day. Drink it at least 30 minutes before each main meal.